Good morning all. Next we discuss some problems related to laws of exponents, and the first question is 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 4 raised to 3 into a cube. Okay, and here we know that in the numerator we have 2 and 8, and in the denominator we have 4 and 8. So what we do is we first convert this 4 in powers of 2. Then only we can apply the laws. So we write this a raised to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by, instead of this 4 we write 2 square the whole cube into a cube, which is equal to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3. Which law we apply here? A raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So 2 raised to 2 into 3 6 into a cube. Then we have 2 raised to 8 and 2 raised to 6. So we apply the law a raised to m by a raised to n. We know that it is a raised to m minus n. So it is 2 raised to 8 minus 6 into, similarly, a raised to 5 by a raised to 3. We can write it as a raised to 5 minus 3 by applying the same law. So a raised to 5 minus 3. So 2 raised to 2 into a raised to 2, that is 2a the whole raised to 2. Which law we apply here? A raised to m into b raised to m. That is, the powers are same but the bases are different. So we can apply this law. AB the whole raised to m. Similarly, we can write it as 2a the whole raised to 2. Okay. The next question is a raised to 5. Question number 2. A raised to 5 by a cube into a raised to 8. All the terms are given in with base a. So first we apply the law here because we have a single bracket. So what we get? A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So a raised to 5 minus 3 into a raised to 8. So a raised to 5 minus 3 is a raised to 2 into a raised to 8. It is equal to a raised to 2 plus 8, it is 10. Which law we apply here? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay. Okay, the next question is 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 8 into b raised to 3 by 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 5 into b square, which is equal to, that same as the previous one. First we write that 4 raised to 5 as 2 square the whole raised to 5 into a raised to 8 into b raised to 3 by denominator 4 raised to 5 also we written as 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 5 into a raised to 5 b raised to 2. Here we can cancel this 4 raised to 5 from both numerator and denominator, but we use the laws of exponents. That's why we rewrite it as 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 5. Then apply the law 2 raised to a raised to m the whole raised to n. What is a raised to m the whole raised to n? A raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So we can write it as 2 raised to 10 into a raised to to 10 we have in both numerator and denominator. So we write it as 2 raised to 10 minus 10. A raised to m by a raised to n form. It is a raised to m minus n. Into, here also we have a raised to 8 by a raised to 5. It is a raised to 8 minus 5. Then b raised to 3 by b raised to 2. It is b raised to 3 minus 2. So 2 raised to 10 minus 10 is 0. A raised to 8 minus 5 is 3. And b raised to 3 minus 2 is b raised to 1. So any number raised to 0 according to the law of exponent is 1. So 1 into a cube into b. So what is the final answer? A cube b is the final answer. Okay. Another one is 2 cube into 2 the whole square. 2 cube into 2 the whole square means inside the bracket we have two numbers with the same base. So we apply the law a raised to m into a raised to n. 2 raised to, in the second time we have 2 only. That means the raised to power is 1. So 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 1 the whole raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 3 plus 1. That is a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So it is 2 raised to 3 plus 1 the whole raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 2. And which law we apply here? 2 raised to 4 the whole raised to 2 is a raised to m the whole raised to n form. It is a raised to m into n. So the answer is 2 raised to 8. Okay. Then the next question is express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. Only in exponential form. And the first question is 108 into 92. 108 into 192. So first what we do is we take the given numbers 108 and 192 separately and convert it into product of primes. Okay. So 108, start with the least prime because 108 is an even number. So 54, then 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 3 times. So 108 can be written as 2 square into 3 cube. Okay. Again we take the next number 192 can be written as 9 to the 18, 6. Then 48, 24, 12, 6, 2, 3. That is 2 repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 2 raised to 6 and 3 only 1 time. So 3 raised to 1. That is 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 6. 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. Then we apply the law a raised to m into a raised to n. It is a raised to m plus n into 3 raised to 3 plus 1. That is 2 raised to 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 raised to 3 plus 1 is 3 raised to 4. So the final answer is 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. We want to write the final answer in exponential form. Product of prime factors only in exponential form. Where we know the 2 and 3 are prime numbers and we write the final answer as 2 raised to 8 Okay. Next question is 270. We want to write this number 270 as the product of prime numbers in exponential form also. So 270 start with the least prime 2 because it is an even number. So 2 divided by 2 we get 135. Then we can use 5. 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35. Then 3, 9, 3, 3. That is 270 can be written as 2 raised to 1. 5 also appear one time. Then 3 appear 3 times. So the answer is 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3. Another question is 729 into 64. 729 into 64. Okay, here also we convert each number as a product of prime. 729 we can start with which number? 3. 2 is not possible, so we consider the next prime number 3. Okay, so we can start with 3, 4, 3, 243 we get. Then again we can use 3, 81, then 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 repeated 6 times. Then 64. 64. Here also we write it as 32. Then 16, 8, 4, 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6. So we can write the answer as 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 6. And here the bases are different but the powers are same. So we can rewrite this. No problem. 3 into 2 the whole raised to, because we know that a raised to m into b raised to m, the powers are same and the bases are different. We can apply the law a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b the whole raised to m. So the final answer is 3 into 2 the whole raised to 6. Okay. Next question is 2 raised to 5 the whole raised to 2 into 7 cube by 8 cube into 7. So here we can apply which law? A raised to m the whole raised to n. It is a raised to m into n, 2 into 5 is 10. Then 7 cube by 8 cube. 8 can be written in powers of 2. Okay. So 2 cube the whole raised to 3 into 7. That is 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube. Here we have a raised to m by a raised to n 4. 7 means 7 raised to 1. So we can write it as 7 raised to 3 minus 1 by 2 raised to 3 into 3 is 9. It is equal to 2 raised to a raised to m by a raised to n 4. So it is 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 2. So the final answer is 2 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 2. We want to write it in the simplified form. But in the previous question we write the final answer in exponential form as a product of primes. And here we want to write the simplified form. So 2 raised to 1 means 2 and 7 square is 49. So what is the final answer? 98 is the final answer. Okay. Another question. 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 by 10 cube into t raised to 4. So 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into t raised to 8 by this 10 cube can be written as 2 into 5 the whole raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Okay. Then 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. Which law we apply here. A raised to m into a raised to n. So what you get? 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 8 minus 4 by t raised to 4. So a raised to m by a raised to n form. So a raised to m minus n by 2 cube into 5 cube into t 2 cube into 5 cube. So 5 raised to 4, then 5 raised to 4 by 5 raised to 3 is a raised to m by a raised to n form. It is a raised to m minus n into t raised to 8 minus 4 is t raised to 4 by 2 cube is 8. So 5 raised to 4 minus 3 is 5 by 8 t raised to 4. This is the final answer. 5 by 8 t raised to 4. Okay. Hope you understood all the problems. After watching this, all of you write these problems in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.